This is the story of how I made my first 1,000 euros online. I always enjoy watching videos like this and finding out how other people got started, so I figured why not share a little story myself. Okay, I can tell you one thing up front though. I really don't want to know my hourly rate for these 1,000 euros. I put in a lot of hours to accomplish this with little to no financial reward in the beginning. However, I think I'm completely fine with that. I learned a lot and acquired new skills that I still use today. And this is also one of the most important things that you can do while you're still young. Try a lot of stuff, learn new skills that benefit you in the future. But yeah, let's get into the story. The story begins in 2017. I was 15 years old and obviously still in school. At this time I was getting into video editing, and the video software that I used, HitFilm Express, had no tutorials in German. As I speak German and at that time was able to understand at least basic English, I had the brilliant idea to, well, create them myself. It actually was a mild success and became one of 2 online businesses that made me my first 1,000 euros. Over the next 2 years I uploaded about 60 videos and also got monetized. At the peak of this channel it had about 3,300 subscribers, maybe 1 or 2 more, and I managed to get over 380,000 views. Now, how did I make money with this, and especially how much money did I make with this? Well, there are a few ways that I monetize my videos with. The most obvious being, of course, YouTube AdSense, which made me a total of 497 euros and 83 cents. Sadly, my YouTube isn't monetized anymore, so this number is final. One other thing that I did from the very beginning on was to put affiliate links from the Amazon affiliate program in the video description of my videos. For example, I had a link to the microphone I was using to record the videos in the description, which was very interesting for people that were watching my videos, as I was in the video editing and video creating niche. Amazon affiliate is by far not the best paying affiliate program, but I still managed to make around 57 euros and 67 cents from it, bringing my total earnings from this YouTube channel to 555 euros and 50 cents. Just 5 cents short of a really cool amount. But wait, there is actually a third way I kind of made some money with this channel. There are companies out there that are willing to send you free stuff in return for a video about it, or even just a positive Amazon review. For legal reasons, I obviously never posted such a review on Amazon, but I know from a good friend of mine that this is actually a legit way to get some free stuff. Nevertheless, I won't count this money into the total amount anyways, as it wasn't really money I earned. The takeaway from this YouTube channel is mainly that you don't have to do something completely new in order to get an audience and make your first money. Sometimes it's just enough to take something that already exists somewhere else in, for example, another country or another language, and bring it to yours. So this was my first endeavor, and you might be thinking, well, that's far from 1,000 euros, and you're completely right, so the story continues. I am about 17 years old, and in my last 2 years of high school. Seeing that all classes need money for example, prom, I wanted to create a crowdfunding business with which classes could raise money for themselves. They would sell basic shirts and hoodies to family and friends and keep 4 euros per item. That way, in the end, everyone ended up with something, and it was a little bit more fun than just asking for a donation. However, this never happened. No one was interested. Instead, they were interested in personalized clothing. I don't know how it is in other countries, but in Germany at least, each year, each class normally has a slogan which they print on some textiles, some shirts and hoodies, in order to wear it and have it as a memory in the end. Through the research for my main business idea, I had a great supplier for branded textiles, and so I offered to make these textiles for my class. Other schools followed, and I would also offer them my design services and help them organize the whole project. In March of 2020, I was finally there. I made my first 1,000 euros online. And in hindsight, I realized that I was basically doing dropshipping, as I never touched any physical goods. I just collected the money from the classes, and as soon as I was paid, I would give the order to the supplier. Then the supplier shipped the order directly to the customer without me having to handle any physical goods. So, what did I learn from my second endeavor? Well, not everything in life works out as expected, but you still have to be flexible enough to take a chance if it presents itself to you. To this date, no one was interested in a crowdfunding campaign, yet selling personalized textiles makes me money still. And if you now want to know how I made my first 10,000 euros online, I guess you will have to subscribe.